Hi, I'm Mark Imperial, and I'm offering this deal to you exclusively on Fiverr. For only $5, I'll record your 50-word script and deliver it to you as a high-quality MP3. Your marketing will grab extra attention when you choose to hire my one-of-a-kind voice. You may have heard my voice before, over the airwaves on Chicago radio, or across the internet for some of the world's most famous brands. I'll deliver your message in either my regular guy style or my crystal-clear, response-inducing broadcast voice. If you have a longer script, need help with your script, or if you want to add video or other additional flair, check out my other gigs, gig extras, or simply drop me a line. Now, enjoy a few samples of my work, then order your gig from me today, exclusively on Fiverr. I'm Mark Imperial, and I look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, Game Changers, T-Mobile means business. Right now, for every line you transfer to T-Mobile, receive a $200 credit. That's the same as cash. Experience T-Mobile's ultra-fast 4G network and get credit at the same time. Claim your $200 gift right now. Call 773-245-6169. Need a new phone? T-Mobile offers exclusive discounts on Samsung Galaxy phones and tablets. Get maximum savings from T-Mobile. Call 773-245-6169. Attention business owners, it's Mark Imperial from the Game Changer Show. If you want to boost your sales without buying more advertising, get more repeat business and referrals automatically, you can make this happen in the next 30 days, and I'll show you how with my free special report titled Catch 'em and Keep 'em. What's working today to get more business and turn existing relationships into raving fans that refer? Get your free copy by calling toll-free 888-985-9696. That's 888-985-9696. Or visit refreshmybusiness.com. That's refreshmybusiness.com. Rubbish, garbage, overload, old stuff. Let's call it what it really is. Junk. Yeah, I said it. You've got junk, and now you want it gone. Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK. 1-800-GOT-JUNK. It's really simple to do. You call 1-800-GOT-JUNK. They come to you and your junk. They give you a free estimate of the cost on the spot to take away your junk. Then their very helpful, insured, licensed, and uniformed crew take away your junk. But wait, there's more. They clean up after they put all of your junk into their trucks. Now you want to know what kind of junk they take? 1-800-GOT-JUNK will take away branches, old landscaping, batteries, furniture, clothing, electronics, housewares, even dirt. So let's review. You've got stuff you need to get rid of? You call 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Say it out loud. 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Good. The big blue and green truck will come and take it all away. This, of course, will allow you to make more room for more stuff. Who do you call? 1-800-GOT-JUNK. See you soon. Economy got your business in a stranglehold? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. I'm Mark Imperial. Grab a pen because I'm going to give you the #1 proven secret to make 2012 your best year ever. Rubbish, garbage, overload. Let's call it what it really is. Junk. So you finally get that humongous TV with the man-eating speakers that apparently goes with your other 12 blinking boxes. Now, where the heck are you going to put them? No one puts the home in home theater like Audio One. There was a time when the world asked ordinary men to do extraordinary things. Tom Hanks and Steven Spielberg present Band of Brothers. Need to escape the daily grind? Come to Best Buy. You'll find tons of games, and you can play all you want, which beats working through lunch. Best Buy. Turn on the fun. 3 happy wives. They vowed to be faithful, but one is more likely to cheat. Is it the first-time mom, the model, or the housewife? Cast your vote online at abcnews.com. What you learn may very well save your marriage. Next on Cartoon Network, more of the Scooby-Doo Marathon. Hey, Scooby, save a Scooby snack for me. Hey, it's Mark again. Let's get going. I want to make you some money. So grab my gig right now and let's get started. Do it now.